Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to open Google Chrome and are suddenly hit with a terrifying pop-up stating chrome.exe system error unknown hard error, this is usually caused by corrupted Windows system files, a bad application registry, or failing hardware components. I have verified the latest diagnostic steps and I will show you exactly how to repair your system right now. Let's get started. First, the most common trigger for a hard error is that Windows itself has broken registry keys or missing core files that Chrome relies on to launch. Click your Windows Start menu, type CMD, right-click the command prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scan now and press Enter. Let this scan run completely to 100%. It will automatically detect and replace any corrupted core files on your operating system. Next, if your system files are fully intact, the error might be pointing to physical read-write errors on your hard drive or a faulty RAM stick. Open your command prompt as an administrator again and type CHKDSK /F /R to scan for and repair bad sectors on your drive. You will need to restart your computer to let it run. Additionally, press your Windows key, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, and run the tool to ensure your RAM is functioning perfectly. Finally, if your Windows system and hardware pass all the tests, the Chrome executable file itself is permanently corrupted. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run box. Type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter to completely uninstall Google Chrome. Once removed, open the Run box again, type %localappdata%\Google and delete the entire Chrome folder. This wipes out any lingering corrupted data so you can download and install a completely fresh copy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.